I'm Kim Miranda and welcome to my Vogue makeup tutorial. I've been watching lots of Vogue makeup tutorials these days and I decided to make one, so yeah, just be a little bit extra. Most celebrities shows their skincare routine in the first half of the video, so let's do it as well. Since I have already cleansed my face with my favorite Quick Effects cleanser, I'm just gonna use this moisturizer from Skin 1004. It just really suits my dry spots. I've been using this ever since I got this from a PR package because it really works well on my dry skin. As you can see here, I have a dry patches right here. But after applying this, my face will become so smooth and the dry patches will be gone. So I'm just gonna sit it there for at least 10 minutes, just to let the product sink into my face. I'm trying to just be gentle on my skin and just pat my face. I don't like tugging my face because it causes wrinkles. It's an instant glow from within. Actually, you can use this overnight as well, but I also love using it in the morning. Once that it has been settled on my skin, I'm just gonna use my trusted Collagen White Regeneration Instant Finishing Cream. The reason why I am always using this before makeup is that it gives back the light into my skin. As you guys can see here, medyo magkaiba yung color sa chest area ko and sa neck area ko dito sa face ko. But with this cream, na-lighten up niya yung face ko and ayan, konti lang siya. And I love using it on my acne marks as well because it also lightens up whenever I use this. I'm not always applying makeup to my face because I'm just working from home and I don't want my skin to be too tired because it's full of makeup every day. So as much as possible, I try to apply light makeup because I just want a very natural makeup look. So basically, this is how I do my makeup whenever I get ready to go out with my friends. So anyways, the next step would be, actually this is gonna be the last step for my skincare routine before applying my makeup. So this is from Kahi Soul and this was sent to me by Yes Style. By the way, this is a facial mist and it is infused with collagen. So just feels so good. Just feels so good whenever I use this because it also has a fragrance to it. Sobrang ganda rin ng spray niya, as you guys can see here. Diba? So I'm just gonna apply more. Just gonna let it sink to my face as well. And voila! Diba? Sobrang glowy na ng skin ko. And yeah, the reason why I always use these products is because I do have a dry and sensitive skin. And ayokong mag-makeup ng sobrang daming kong dry patches dyan sa face ko. Whenever I do have time to apply skincare before makeup, those three products are my trusted skincare products, just to hydrate my skin. So let's start with the makeup. Of course, I'm gonna use my trusted Easy & Co Tinted Sunscreen. Actually, this is top of my glossy tinted sunscreen. Is it tinted sunscreen? I forgot. But anyways, what I love about this is that it's so easy to apply. Like, kung beginner ka, sobrang dali lang kasi you can just blend this out with your fingers. And look what I'm just gonna do. I don't have a mirror with me, so please bear with me. Yeah, that's just how I'm gonna do it. It's like I'm just applying a skincare product. That's why I really like this kasi nga, ayan nga, there's coverage. And as you guys can see, medyo nag-even na yung color ng skin tone ko dito sa face ko and sa neck and sa chest area ko. And that's what I am always achieving. See? Sobrang glowy niya na. Okay, next step would be the concealer. This is from Happy Skin, and ito yung serum concealer nila na they just released few months ago, and I got the soft beige. Kasi before, they don't have the nude beige pa. Sa tingin ko kasi, ito kasi yung magmamatch sa skin tone ko. But it works well on me as well. So, ayan. I'm gonna use my Glossier Stretch Concealer just to even out the color kasi nga masyado siyang yellow undertone, and ito kasi match talaga siya sa skin tone ko. So, yeah. Whenever I mix my Glossy Stretch Concealer to my other concealer, especially my favorite concealer which is the same, sobrang naglalast siya sa skin ko and whole day talaga siya. So, that's why I love using this or mixing this with my other concealers kasi nga naglalast siya. And also, at the same time, hindi siya nag-crease. We're good with this side na. As you guys can see, sobrang full coverage niya, di ba? Nawala yung ano ko, yung eye box. See guys how it covered my imperfection. I really don't need foundation na. Just with the right shade of concealer, you can hide your imperfections already. And yeah, it just gives back the glow to my skin as well. Because this stretch concealer is medyo may pagka-dewy siya. And that's why I love using it. Okay, now we're done with the base. And as you guys can see, it's so healthy. And I'm gonna use the M Cosmetics Serum Blush. Ito yung Venetian Rose nila. I just got this a few months ago, siguro mga 2 months ago lang. And I keep on using this na every time I go out kasi the shade is so beautiful. It's the perfect rosy color of blush, and that's what I'm living for. I forgot to use my lip balm. I'm gonna use this Sunny's Face Lip Tint in the shade Chai. See, it's so easy to blend as well. Medyo nag-pop yung ating acne mark. Ayan. And see, I'm just gonna blend some product here kasi nawala na siya. This is the struggle when you're applying cream makeup product. It looks natural to me. Ayan. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Para lang akong kinilig na pinagpawisan. Anyways, let's move on to the bronzer. And this is the bronzer that I have been using ever since college. It's a cream bronzer. Ito yung dupe ng Chanel na cream bronzer. I don't know if you guys know it, but yeah, I'm just gonna tap it to my skin. I'm also gonna drag it on to my neck area. Yan, para magkaroon din ako ng jawline. I'm just gonna apply loose powder from Easy & Co. So, since I'm done with the cream products, I'm gonna dive in with my Becca palette. And I'm just gonna use this bronzer to my face. I love bronzer. It just makes my skin look so flattering. Anyways, I'm just gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills na Blush Trio. And I'm just gonna use this one. Ka-shade siya ng Venetian Rose. Para hindi masyadong mag-move yung mga cream products na nilagay ko sa skin ko. I forgot to use this. This is the Fenty Beauty Amber Matchstick. I like using it on my nose to contour. And I'm just gonna use, what is this? A concealer buffer pala. See, this is a concealer buffer, but I use this for my nose contour. I'm also gonna use this from Peripera. Ito yung ink V shading nila in Cacao Brown. Most of the time, I also apply the bronzer to my lids para lang mag-connect siya. Hindi siya yung sobrang obvious na contour shade siya. I think it's good na. Yeah. That's how I contour my nose. And next thing is my eyebrows, of course. When I do my eyebrows, it's just very simple. I always use this from the Face Shop. I've been using this ever since I was in college. Actually, I do have lots of makeup na, and what I'm trying to do right now is to stop buying new makeups because ang dami ko pa talagang stock and hindi ko talaga sila nagagamit every day. So whenever there's new releases, pumipikit na lang ako, kunyari hindi ko na lang nakikita. I don't like going overboard sa pag-apply dito sa my area na to ng eyebrows ko because I just want it to look natural and I don't want it to be too boxy. I love using this kasi wala lang, nasa-set niya in place yung eyebrows ko and it kind of makes it a little bit fluffy as well. So, yeah. Look at the difference. Diba? We're almost done. And now we're gonna dive into my eyeshadows. I always use either of this palette. And whenever I'm on the go, ito talaga yung ginagamit ko. If I want a makeup look na medyo, you know, darkish or nudish one, ito yung ginagamit ko. Sige, I think this one, I'm just gonna go for this one. Actually, it's a muted pinkish brown, but ayan. And nabili ko lang siya a few months ago then. Actually, a month ago lang pala. And I instantly fell in love with it. I wanna keep using it actually. It even makes me want to put on makeup even just for my normal days. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna go right over with the shade Natural Beauty. I'm just gonna sweep it right onto my lids. Ayan, dyan lang. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend this two shades. Ayan. Okay, so now that it's all blended out, I'm just gonna use the same shades onto my lower lids. Okay, we're done. We're almost done pala. And then I'm gonna use my trusted Keratin Graph Ink Liner. This is just 100 pesos. It's just very simple na wing liner. Then I'm just gonna do the same thing. Okay, so yeah, okay na to. It's just how I normally curl my lashes, and then I'm gonna use the heroin make. So last step for the face, I'm just gonna use the liquid highlighter from the Moon Beauty. It's my favorite local cream highlighter, liquid highlighter, sorry. And you'll see why I love it kasi very natural na naman ng sorry, hindi ko na nasabi ko ano yung sabihin ko. Very natural niya lang tingnan. And para ka lang pinawisan, pero social na pawis. So this is the lip mousse from Easy & Co, and it's in the shade Rom-Com. Okay, and then I'm gonna apply the shade Rom-Com onto my lips. Okay, so whenever I'm on the go, I always use this product because it makes my lips so soft. And nawawala yung pagka-dry ng lips ko with this one. But I'm just gonna top it off with the Strokes Beauty's Velvet Click Lipstick in the shade Flamingo. Yan. And then, just like that, we're done with the face. Okay, ito na yung pinaka-final step for my face. I'm just gonna use the Eyeliner Cosmetics na Flower Power Setting Spray. And as you guys can see, itong makeup na to, it's not cakey. Ayan. It's very natural looking. Okay, so, ito na ang hair. Ang hair care ko is, I'm just gonna use the Lux Organics Premium Keratin 10-in-1 Hair Elixir. Ito yung leave-in treatment nila. And I always use this whenever I go out. Kasi I just want to make sure na, you know, healthy yung hair ko whenever I go out. I'm just gonna push it upwards kasi kinurl ko siya. So, yeah, just to also bring back the life onto my hair with the keratin treatment. So, yeah. Okay, we're done and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and yeah, I definitely did kasi medyo nag-ala celebrity tayo because this is a Vogue makeup inspired tutorial and I really love it. And actually this is also my updated everyday makeup look because I think yung last na makeup video ko is around 5 months ago na. Actually wala namang masyado nagbago but I think yung mga nagbago lang is yung mga makeup products na ginamit ko. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!